Welcome back, everybody. It's MeiaSoQuick, and in today's video I'm gonna be doing some painting. Okay, so if you haven't seen my office makeover yet, what are you waiting on? You can go ahead and click the video right up here somewhere and you can go ahead and watch that, because the paintings that I'm doing today are gonna be some nice little art to kind of bring into the space. So first thing I need to do is, I'm outside, I'm in the backyard, and I don't want to make a mess, so let's go ahead and set up. So if you see here, I done laid down my tarp, and yeah, I had to get my little chairs and everything else and try to get some weights to hold it down, but it'll work. And I've got 4 canvases that I'm gonna be doing, so I'm still not exactly sure, but yeah, I have 2 of like 8 by 11, I guess, like almost the size of the paper, and then 2 of whatever this size is. So that's what I'll be doing, and let me go ahead and get my paint so I can get started. So you probably can't see it, but I did like a rough sketch of like kind of just what I wanted to do, so I wouldn't be completely lost on what I was doing. So I guess there's nothing at this point but to then go ahead and start painting. I gotta mix up some colors. I'm gonna use this little piece of cardboard as like my palette. Some really cheap paint brushes. I got a water bottle that, like, if I need to re-wet. I know I want to do mustard yellow. A little bit of tap it brown, maybe. Mixing colors are fun. Okay, so the yellow looks like it's drying on most of them. So now what I'm gonna do is try to do like a light brown that kind of, I'm sorry, it's a plane. Okay. Just a random plane. Anyway, so now what I'm gonna try to do is create like a light brown that matches the wood in my room. So mostly brown, and I'm gonna put some of this like beige peaches color in here and see what I get with that. Okay, I didn't really clean this off that great. Whew. It's like 90, 100 degrees outside. I couldn't take it anymore. So for the most part, I did all that I really wanted to do. So I'm gonna finish up some details with some of my paint markers. So I'll let you zoom in and see what I am, and then I'll be done. So this is one of those kinds of drawings where you try to do the whole thing without lifting your hand to like one continuous stroke. boom. Think it came out good. So it skipped in a couple places, so I just want to go ahead and touch that up, but yeah. Oh, that came out actually nice. Okay. So then on this one, I just want to do some little doodles. That's a real simple one. Alrighty, and then I'm gonna get some other colors because I want some gold and I don't know, maybe another gray. Let's try this one. Maybe I'll give an earring. And just like that, those are my paintings. This was a lot of fun, just a nice little chill, relaxing thing to do. I'm going to put this art up in my office, which go watch that video. And thanks so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, or subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.